What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger reaction. You don't know what time it is. Yo, people clap on themselves. You see me? Yeah, man, I don't know what time it is, people. The war is in the air. Tell them to prepare, cause we're there with another one, you know. Yeah, man, we're back in at the war with none other than Fully Bad. Yeah, man, people, we're there with it. Today we're there with the start of the war. You see me? Cause we actually reacted to DEMARCO's Fully Bad, you see me, which was actually the second song in the war, because I choose to react it how I find the music. You see me, I want to go and search it, and react to it naturally how I find the music. You see me, I say. So I found DEMARCO's one first, and I reacted to that. Now I gotta go back to the beginning of the war, which is Fully Bad, the one named Dogg Food. Okay, and this one apparently this is the start of the clash, start of the war. This is the one got DEMARCO so triggered. You see me? Yeah, man. This I wanna get triggered or DEMARCO for run out crazy pan Fully Bad. So we're gonna check it out and see how I go and see how the war start. You see me? And say, but before jumping in the chat, guys, if you like the video, please consider giving us a like and thumbs up. Make sure you check the link in the description and join the Discord. Yeah, man. Guys, like me say, now all the vibes. We're jumping at the start of the war. This is Fully Bad Dogg Food. Let's get it, guys.
So DEMARCO, oh, you say you love your life and make that post there.
Yo, DEMARCO, you say you love your life and make the post there. Yo, Fully Bad. Remember, hey, this is the first track. So I hope this go hard, because the response that DEMARCO came with was crazy. So I know this probably go hard. Come in.
A murderer over here, so we do much bomb buckler, high power weapon. Lift up them there. Team upgrade. You look like said DEMARCO, feel him dead. Chip Glock put brain with the ceiling there. You got big like a house, girl asleep in there. I bet that's how you family.
Yo, man say yo, Chip Glock put brain with ceiling there. You see me be a girl, yo, man say you got big. I come like say girl live in the air. Come on, bro. Come on.
WG string them just like your right foot. So the key clip bent tall rifle lift up and be a 5th gen 14 belly too full. Yo, make you belt.
Man say just like your right foot. I saw the key clip bend. I can't remember say yo DEMARCO got blood clean thing there on dog a bando leg, you know, man. Go on.
Pussy try run the belly stuck in the fence. This is some of falling soldiers. We miss you. You never listen to yourself. Body nice.
Okay, so this is the part where DEMARCO's like, you're falling soldiers, you're singing better than me. You're going to say your mother get up. Okay, alright. Okay.
But no else, I must die in a head. I get to your sense. DEMARCO was not Batman. A witch link him afro na Waltham. Pussy, we are on the place you abandon. And I fuck your baby mother to your girl song.
Oh shit, the man say we are on the place that you abandon, cause we are fuck your baby mother to your girl song. So this is the part where DEMARCO addressed. It was like, yo, the man say, man, want to be able to be girl song. I wish one tell you say it's a fun. Oh man, yo, come on.
How which crime DEMARCO do? I chat up your mouth, pussy, where you go do? We buy more gun down, we see you go do. Uptowns if you kill him, I fling him in a.
Say buy more gun down, see ya got. Yo, come on.
Back, push back. The rifle not push, can't this bad young and think that good. Shake the place, earthquake pass through. Tony shit, got boy in a dog. Exercise skill full iron like a gym. Got the pussy belly big, and the rifle make him slim.
Yo, got the pussy belly. Rifle make him slim, come on.
This God message him, so you should no trouble sincere and punish him. Genocide kill him already, summer just to finish him. One hold him up a stick.
Okay. This the part, this part we talk about, yo, genocide, he killed DEMARCO, and DEMARCO was like, yo, genocide, never kill me because we never war, okay.
I show him discipline, loaded clock, I'ma kick it pin, mama missing him. Oh God, you couldn't survive in the place, so me live. Hard stay in the fridge every day, we do this. Crazy pan the shift, the Glock, you wait upon me hip. Which topic him make, explain that to me.
Yo, me not lie, it's Fully Bad very smooth on this track, bro. You know what I'm saying? I didn't remember Fully Bad being this smooth. Come on.
Roll it for you and know you never take no risk. It mad like me sprinkle look coke in the split. Me love the badness, the mount of up upon the zig. Mount of boy with dash way and they are just a bill.
It's mad like me sprinkle coke in them spliff, bro. What kind of, hey, we don't do them season thing there now, Fully Bad. You see me, we not promote coke thing, alright. No promote drugs at that time.
I chat up your mouth, pussy, where you go do? We buy more gun down, we see you go do. Uptowns if you kill him, I fling him in a bush back. The rifle not touch.
I got my mask, dog. I want to go out, dog. I have my mask, brother. This nigga got on my Halloween mask, gang. I want tuna, man. I murder season, man. That's how everybody, hey. Come in, man. Yeah, man, gang. Blows and skirt. Come on, man. I forgot where this the rest of the blood clip it up. Yeah, man. War time. Come in, man. Yeah, man. This is the murder mass, man. Boom, boy. Come in. Mad thing. Fully bad pan them blows and skirt, gang. Yeah, man. That's how we do the rest of the reaction. No joke. Come in.
Bad young and think that good. Shake the place. Earthquake pass through. Funny shit. Good boy in a dark food. And which crime DEMARCO do? And chat up your mouth pussy where you go do. We buy more gun than we see you go do. But don't have to keep.
Yo, yeah. I'm not lie. This one a chop that gang. This one a smooth. Smooth as hell. You see me? I expect this one fully bad.
Man fling him in a bush. Back push back. The rifle not touch. Can't this bad young and think that good. Shake the place. Earthquake pass through. Funny shit. Good boy in a dog food. Dead boy.
Funny shit. Good boy in a dog food, gang. Oh, God. Come here, man. Not like fully bad. I go on with him thing, man. Come here. Alright, see you, man. I purge him. Yeah, man. Man. Pull it.
Yo, Gore. No boy, man.
Bad gang. What dog say anything name bad gang? You see, dog I want mass dog. I tell you about purge him. Those on scare. Easy. Fully bad. The full. Hey! Yeah, man. I want the mad gang. You see me? See dog have all the mad mask, man. You see? Oh boy, shout out to the dog. You see me? Dog have a bad gang. You see? Hey, this is Halloween costume, man. But yeah, man. Dog in a video have a see a mask as me. Shout out to Fully Bad and him crew. You see me? So I guess his thing name is Bad Gang. His crew name is Bad Gang. But yeah, man, that was a very smooth track. I did not expect this from Fully Bad. You feel me? Like I said, I found the DEMARCO track first. And I listened to that one, and then I got like, yo, I gotta listen to the beginning of the war and see where I'm going. And then yeah, man, yeah, Fully Bad actually, disappointed. This was good. But I gotta say though, DEMARCO counteract in the response counteract every line. I'm not gonna lie. DEMARCO answer everything, and then they fire back shot. You see me? So they were interested, man. They were interesting because they wanna even up. Because this was the first shock. I know we consider the DEMARCO's response. DEMARCO actually respond to everything what Dogg say and then fire some shot right now. So right now, yeah, this is a good work. Everybody address what the other person say. And them, yeah, it's a even match. Once we talk about DEMARCO are doing thing though. So I'm interested. So alright, the war no finalized, but DEMARCO definitely kinda leading in my opinion. But the war not done it. You see me, the war not done it. So we're gonna see what I go on, man. And also I see Fully Bad drop his second response, I would say. You see me, which will be the third track in the series. I'm gonna react to that as well, gang. You see me? Yeah, man, dog, I see a mask in that video, man. I think it's gonna be the new Clash mask, you know. Yeah, man, this will be the new Clash mask. You see me? Anytime a Clash song, I gotta wear this, bro. Because we're gonna purge out all of the fake artists, them, you know. All of the fake Clash artists, we're purging out. Now we gotta get you out of here, man. You see me? Yeah, man, so you don't know what time it is. It's a boy Jambisco, gang. Let me know anything in the comment section. Who winning the war, who I lead right now, who I go on. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector boy.